Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by identifying the clip and damage so you know what to repair and why. Once you confirm it's a broken snap or barb, gather needle nose pliers, fine sandpaper, a small drill bit, and a thin drop of superglue or plastic epoxy. Make sure the surface is clean. Use isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. While you prep, remove nearby parts that obstruct access so you can work steadily. This reduces stress on the plastic during the repair. You now rebuild the clip by roughening both faces with 220 to 400 grit sandpaper so adhesive bonds well. Once done, mix a low-viscosity plastic epoxy or use a solvent-based plastic weld and apply a thin, even layer. Press parts together and hold or clamp gently to avoid deformation. If a tooth or section is missing, fit a small plastic scrap or 3D printed patch and blend edges with the drill and sandpaper. Make sure to allow full cure time before testing. You finish by trimming excess cured adhesive and sanding to a smooth, precise shape so the clip seats correctly. Once smooth, reinstall the clip and test gently through its full range of motion. Apply gradual pressure to confirm engagement and spring. If it feels weak, reinforce the repair with a thin metal shim bonded across the stress point, or accept replacement if load-bearing integrity is compromised. If the clip still fails, replace it. This prevents repeated damage and avoids harming surrounding parts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.